everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephanie Monique back with another video, and today I got bored and watching TikTok and different things. I've been doing a bunch of DIYs, so I have gathered a bunch of like black clothes that can be missed if this goes wrong, and I'm just gonna bleach it. So I set up like a big bowl with like the bleach and water solution, and I've just been dipping this water bottle of the bleach solution in there to keep refilling it up for the different outfits. I have a little couple rubber bands and scrunchies to tie the things up, but we're just gonna see how it goes. I might just try the socks and smaller things first and then move on to the bigger stuff, but I'm gonna just jump right into that, so let's get started. And so using this bleach solution, you can see it right away turn a different color. So I'm gonna unravel them after I pour the bleach just to prevent too much bleeding. I had actually forgot to wet everything, so I went back and soaked them. The socks have worked either way, but I do want the best results, so I wet everything else in the sink, make sure they were soaked, and now I'm going to keep continuing that process. So I finished pretty much putting it on everything. I see certain like things with different fabrics starting to change already, like this hoodie a little bit. I'll probably just pour a little more over the stuff and then rinse it out. I think people say you were supposed to do, and then I'm gonna go put it in the washer and dry it, and we'll see how it turns out after that. Hey everyone, so yesterday I started a little bleaching, tie-dye, whatever you want to call it, effect, just due to a lot of things I saw on TikTok and just me being curious. So a little update, it went 50-50. Half of the things I tried to do are literally still black, if not blacker. Like the bleach just didn't do anything to it. I tried over and over again multiple times and it just didn't do nothing. So I guess certain things have, that bleach resistant material, and that's okay. So I did kind of get like one outfit, I guess you could say, out of the stuff. So the things that did work, and I ended up like going back and trying these again too, so that's why they're so brownish bleach colors. But so I have these little Nike socks that are now like a brownish creamish material, and so this is kind of the color that everything turned out in the end. So that's the socks. And then the hoodie I had, I did end up cropping it yesterday, so this is what that looks like. It does have the hood and a little metal zip up, and again it still has that same brownish copperish color to it. So yeah, and then the last thing that took as well was these little biker shorts. So again, with the same brownish copper material. And so I'm just gonna try it on and see how it looks, honestly. I tried to pick kind of disposable things, so even still I wouldn't get discouraged from the results. So I'm gonna just try that on for y'all and see how it's looking. Right, so I did come back and try it on, and as I said, this is what it's looking like so far. So that is what the whole outfit is looking like. I don't know if I would wear it together. It's just a lot going on. But at least the patterns will look kind of nice on their own, you know, with the little coppery color. I think this top is definitely my favorite. It actually turned out pretty cute with the cropped and everything. And so, yeah. Don't mind this pink sports bra, like I said before. Maybe like a white one or a black one will look really cute. And with the zipper, I saw a TikTok and I thought, oh yeah, like I'm gonna burn the bottom and it just be a crop top where the zipper stays on. But I forgot that mine was metal, so I couldn't melt it. So we're just gonna hope that the zipper, I remember not to zip it all the way down and that it doesn't come off. But yeah. So I guess that would be the finished result of this video. I do want to try it again and, you know, be more intentional with it. I just kind of ended up throwing the stuff in the sink and pouring, you know, the bleach and stuff on it at a point. And so this is the result. But I mean, it is what it is. I just want to thank you guys for watching again. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the post notification button. I am posting, you know, every Tuesday and Friday, so you can stay tuned for videos then. But yeah, I hope you guys are all staying safe, and maybe this gives you some ideas that you can do in the house to pass some time. My siblings generally like to join me, so that gives them something to do as well. But yeah, so thank you for all the support. Make sure you share this video. You know, if somebody else might enjoy it or y'all want to do it together, you know, let them know. Tell a friend. But that is going to be it for today. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.